Hi, welcome to this course. Before you start, let me explain you few things. See, the first point is how to follow this course. See, if you have taken this course for academics purpose, means if you have Java programming as your subject, then I suggest you follow the course right from the beginning and follow the lectures in the same order. Don't skip anything. Whatever the sections that comes under your syllabus, you can cover them, and if any section is not in your syllabus, you can skip it. Then next, if you already know Java and you are preparing for campus interviews and already you know the things, then you can skip the topics. But whichever topic you are selecting, please make sure that you are listening to all the lectures in that section. If you directly jump on a particular video, then you may not understand everything from it because the topics are related in a particular section. So please start the section from the beginning, alright? Don't directly jump on a particular topic inside a section. And if you are from industry and if you want to brush up any particular topic, then you can go ahead. You may be having working experience also. You can watch any lecture. Then the next thing is about resource. See, for the coding lectures where I am showing you the program, so after watching that lecture, you try to write down the program by yourself. And if you face any difficulty, then you can go to resources, you can download the resource. That same program is available in the form of resource. You can click on the link and download it. So just beside that lecture on the right hand side, you will find a list of lectures, right? So under the same lecture, the one you are watching, you will find a link called resource. Click on it and the program will be downloaded on your machine. Make sure that the pop-up blocker is disabled. And still if you face any difficulty, you are unable to remove the error, then you can contact me in question answer section. Just below every lecture, down here on the right hand side, just below the play button, you will find question answers. So under question answers, you can ask a question. And if the question is related to the code, then I suggest you to copy paste the code there so that I can easily check your program and help you with the errors. So that's all. Go ahead and try to watch it without skipping any lectures.